To find English to tourists.
I'm not English. I'm from India, but I
I
speak
can
English.
see. I can see.
Ona je meni nešto prepisala, neke 2 leka, 3, pio sam, ali ništa ne pomaže, vidim ja da ništa nema boljetka.
Stops on your photo, Bosnia. He's trying to stop at a place where I can get them very close views of Bosnia. Serbia.
Serbia, Indija, ovako. Ovako.
Da. I'm here at Bajina Basta and I'm staying at Mystic River Hostel, the same hostel whose owners are at Tara National Park. And it's a beautiful neighborhood over here. See, beautiful houses, typical European styled houses. Cozy neighborhood over here. Today over here there are a few sights to see. The most important one is the house on the lake, which I'll go to see. The owners very generously have offered me a bicycle with which I can ride to the house on the river. Let me just show you. I've met some co-travelers over here, one from India as well. The living area, dining area, kitchen. Here we have Ram. Hi Ram, say hi.
Hello.
Ram is a vlogger from Bangalore.
Yes.
And his channel's name is?
Kannada vlogger.
Kannada vlogger. So do follow Ram. I've given the link in the description. Ram is cooking. What are you cooking, Ram?
I'm trying to make some omelets and oats for you and for me.
Thank you, Ram.
And
Thanks
for
a
you.
lot.
Yeah, Jack, Jack, make the legend meet.
Meet Jack. Jack has traveled to 60 countries. He's a living legend. Then there is Artem over there, and she's busy. I won't disturb her. So yes.
Show the apple trees in the.
And right over here is the backyard. A beautiful, cozy backyard over here. Just have a look. Check it out. And this is our room over there. Me and Ram are staying over there in our dorm. And back there, somewhere over there, is the river Drina. And across river Drina is Bosnia and Herzegovina. That small mosque over there which we saw yesterday, that mosque is in Bosnia and Herzegovina. We are so close to another country. Literally when I was driving by, when I was coming to Bajina Basta, the driver showed me the river, and the border is absolutely unprotected. It's just a natural boundary between Serbia and Bosnia. It was this close to the border. Normally in my part of the world, in India, borders between India and Bangladesh, India and Pakistan, there are barbed wires, there are landmines and everything. But over here, it's just a natural border. Of course, this is just one part of it. The many areas in Bosnia are covered with landmines. This is during the Yugoslav Civil War, which is a very bloody period in the nation's history. Talking together, it's the first time experience vlogger together. He's Kannada vlogger Ram, as I've said,
And he's Hindi and English vlogger.
Terminal E.
Please subscribe to his channel Terminal E. I will link that in the description below. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Right now we are planning to have our breakfast. Ram bhai has very generously cooked breakfast for us. I think I should learn how to cook. It's a very bad thing of me. I don't know how to cook. A beautiful orchard over here, apple orchard. The owner has said that you can literally pluck the apples from here and eat. Isn't that great, guys? We are here at Mystic River side to see the famous house on the river or house on the lake, which is a very quaint sized house in the middle of the lake, which has a lot of aesthetic value. A lot of films are shot here, and do you know this is National Geographic's most photographed site in Serbia? Across the river over there is Bosnia, if I'm not wrong. Right, Ram?
Yes, absolutely. You have the Bosnian border right there.
Can you imagine such a beautiful sight anywhere? I mean, two countries and a natural boundary and no fences or anything.
Yes, See, he's showing you some exclusive footage, so you guys have to make sure that you subscribe to his channel. He's amazing.
Thank you. And that was the house on the lake, on the river Drina, on the natural border between Bosnia on that side and Serbia on this side. The sun is out, beautiful place, a lot of aesthetic movie shootings that take place in this house on the lake. This river is called Drina, which flows into the Sava, which flows into the Danube River. A very prime, a very popular weekend destination for Serbians and Bosnians alike on the other side. Ram and the other friends have gone to see the nearby heritage railway Mokragoda. I, on the other hand, have decided to take it easy, explore the city of Bajina Basta on bicycle. This is the bicycle. It belongs to the hostel. They have quite generously lended it to me. I'm going to go to the city center, inquire about the bus to Novi Sad, also recharge my phone. My internet has expired. All this I'm going to do. And look at this, such a beautiful orchard behind me. The sun is out, maza aane wala hai. It's really, I'm feeling really good over here.
Just go left.
Left.
Yes, left.
Okay. So right now I'll go straight and go left.
Yes, and you will see Planeta Sport.
Planeta Sport.
And then left, and you will still gas station, and there is the gas. What's your name on YouTube?
My channel is Terminal E.
Let me just.
Small channel, but you will be on the channel. And
yes.
как вас зовут?
I always wanted to find English to tourists.
I'm not English. I'm from India. But I speak English.
I can see.
Got myself a young subscriber.
Hello.
In the streets.
Type.
In the streets of Bajina Basta. What a jolly young lad over there. I have to go to the city center first to recharge my bloody SIM card, which has lost its validity, and then let's see, eat, inquire about bus to Belgrade, and then if time permits we'll see something else. I'm at the city center of Bajina Basta. Over here I took a new SIM. My SIM was an MTS SIM for 7 days, 15 GB internet. I had paid around 600 dinars. Instead of recharging, I took a new SIM which cost me 300 dinars. In that I'll get 4 GB for 7 days. I'll be judicious. Anyway, everywhere here is Wi-Fi, every hotels and every cafes, and it will suffice me for the remaining days I'm in Serbia. And this is a beautiful city center of Bajina Basta. It's a much bigger town than Mitrovac. There's a lot of activity over here. There is money exchange. There are kiosks where you can do your recharge. There are cafes. There is you can do your Xeroxes here. There's a nice tourist information center over here where I'm going. These beautiful towns were once the center of action of the First World War. The Austro-Hungarian forces and the Ottoman Empire took over these places. Then in the Second World War, the Germans took over these places. This place has a lot of history. And like any other picture-perfect postcard towns of Europe, it has its mix of bloody history. Just inquired few things at the Tourist Information Center. It is right at the middle of the city center, Tourist Information Center, and here it is. They said that nearby there is the Raca Monastery, which is a 5 kilometer distance. I have a bicycle, obviously. I'm going to bike there. It's a very beautiful monastery. Time ho raha hai 2, and I think if I pedal hard, I'll reach there in 1 hour. Serbia is visa free. Both Serbia and Albania are visa free. But how many Indians actually come to Serbia? They might as well go to Switzerland. They go to Prague. But Serbia, why would anyone bother? But they're overlooking a hidden gem. That's why little bit stares here and there. But no racism as such. People are very friendly. Serbia has been our good friend since the Tito days. Serbia was very close to India, and they love striking a conversation with an Indian. Common interests are Bollywood, Hinduism, and the diversity and how ancient our country is. This is so sacred and so spiritual. The inside murals are just wow, wow, unbelievable. Everywhere in Orthodox Christianity, the murals are just worth, I mean, they're just fascinating. Small history about this place. The original date of this church is not known, but it was constructed around 1276. It was destroyed by the Ottoman Empire under Mehmed the Conqueror from Turkey, and a lot of monks fled this region. Soon, under Serbian overlord Dragutin Nemanje, he drove the Turks out of this place and again brought the monks back to their original place of worship. This place was burned and destroyed, but the original church is around 800 years old, 800 plus years old. Think of the atrocities the Ottoman Turks inflicted on the local Serbian people. We don't want to go into a debate on religion over here. There were kingdoms, and there was one aggressor, and there was one who was on the receiving end. This is how history has been. Coming here was really worth it. I do recommend you to come here. Hire a bike, hire a car, whatever. Drive down to Raca Monastery. Just saw the monastery. Now going to head back. 4 बज रहे हैं, शाम होने को है. अब मुझे यहाँ से चलना चाहिए. Sun will soon set, and it's a long uphill bike ride. It will take at least 2 hours for me to reach. My fitness will be tested. So yeah, please, if you have a car, it's the best. Otherwise, you can rent a bike if you are fit enough and come here. It's a beautiful place. Please do visit Raca Monastery if you're in Bajina Basta. See you guys at the hostel. Back in the town. Right behind me is a vegetable market. My hostel also, like the previous hostel in Mitrovac, this hostel also has a fully equipped kitchen. So if you are, you know how to cook, you can easily pick up your groceries from here and go and cook. Patta gobi, 165 dinars. There are apples. Apples are 89 dinars per kilo. Shimla mirch, देखिए कितनी बड़ी-बड़ी है. It's so big. These are around 125 dinars per kilo, and the slightly larger ones are 155 dinars per kilo. So easily you can take whatever you want to buy from here and go to your hostel and cook. Broccoli bhi hai, patta gobi, फूल गोभी, टिंडे, लौकी, you name it, सब कुछ है इधर. Just come, pick up your groceries and buy and go to your hostel and cook. I have taken macaroni and Maggi instant noodles. I'm going to cook that in the hostel, and that's going to be my dinner. Back at the hostel, sitting here, editing, watching the match, watching the game between Venezia and Fiorentina. Life is good, enjoying it. And we have our friends over here, Lastimir and Yana, and we have another guest from India, Nancy there. So the thing is, Nancy also has a YouTube channel. Do follow her. The link is in the description. Your channel is NJ Backpacker. Do follow NJ Backpacker. I've given the link in the description. And Nancy, there it is. Nancy, all the best for your visit to Serbia and the Tara National Park. And it's really fun over here. फिलहाल इस vlog को यही खत्म करते हैं. If you like this video, you know what to do. Do the drill. Give it a like. Comment what you feel like. Share it amongst your friends, and of course, yes, subscribe and hit that bell icon, because whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. With that, see you. Sayonara. Wala.